Hey, my name is Vishal and I work as a software engineer in iTech.
Hi, I'm Leena. I work in HSBC Bank.
So when we started this whole thing, it was like our kid was 6 months. We were looking for a trusted partner who can actually execute it without bothering us too much because we were already occupied with another major event in our life. And Simplify Homes have been that partner. In fact, Tejasvi ma'am and Jagdish sir have been so much involved in all those things. They were very approachable throughout the project for executing it and getting it done basically. We also compared multiple other people in the markets, but we felt that Simplify Home is the team who could bring our vision into reality. Anyone who comes in a home likes the color combinations and all. They love that kids room. Even my kid doesn't stay there, but anybody who comes in our home goes first there, and like their kid is like, I'm not going out of here.
And actually, they gave us the theme of our home. Like, we have got many compliments that we have one theme. It's not like a rainbow. I enjoy it, though my son doesn't enjoy. I enjoy it a lot. So yeah, that's my favorite part of the home.
I actually like master bedroom, right? So that room, the aesthetics has come out to be really rich because of that golden hues and then yellowish hues that we have used. The whole background, in fact, the texture that we have, right?
Yes.
Nobody has it. Like
yes.
It was specifically that Asian Paints sent that Baruch design, and then their people who did it, like it was really a nice way that it come out, right? Basically. And in fact, project execution wise well, so all this started in January, and by April, May, we were doing Greh Pravesh, right? So timeliness, delivery of things was also there.
And the quality is very nice. It has been appreciated by our parents as well. And the brands which they are using, like Aristo or any other brands, name it, and it's like very nice. And
and we chose something which was very normal, which is very common, right?
Yes.
Right. And then we went to them and they said that, oh, we can do better than this. We want your home to look like more unique, right? Unique design we haven't seen in the whole society till now.
Yes. Yeah.
And it's not our only home that they did in a society, but everybody has good opinion of them.
Especially the kitchen, the color laminate, we thought it will not come out good, but it has come very nice, and everyone is appreciating and everyone is complimenting on the color shades. So the color shades actually what has been recommended by their team and by the selection, it has come out really nice.
I have been there talking with a lot of people in the community, and it has been a hassle to get a home done. Really appreciate that whole thing was done in three and a half months, the whole execution part.
Yes.
They delivered on the time, and so Simplify Home is a go-to place, okay? So you can go there and ask for any interior related things, right? So we do recommend Simplify Home. You can trust them. They will try their best to deliver what they have promised. Thank you, Simplify Home, for making a dream home a reality.
Yes.